Have you ever stared at a recurring decimal like 0.272727 so on and thought, wait, how on earth do I turn this into a fraction? Maybe you tried and got stuck, or even worse, just gave up. But guess what? Not today. I'm about to show you a super easy trick to turn those pesky decimals into fractions, and I promise, once you get the hang of it, you'll feel like a math wizard. Let's kick things off with an easy one, 0.4 recurring. We set x equals 0.4444 so on and multiply by 10 to shift everything to the left. Now we have 10x equals 4.4444. Now, stop for a second, check those decimals. Look how perfectly they line up. So, now we subtract, which simplifies to 9x equals 4. Divide by 9, and bam, you get x equals 4 divided by 9. Boom. Just like that, 0.4 recurring equals 4 divided by 9. Feels good, right? But hold on, what if things don't line up so easily? Well, no worries. Let's try 0.27 recurring, where 27 keeps repeating. This one's a little trickier. We set x equals 0.272727 and multiply by 10. 10x equals 2.727272. Oh, the decimal part doesn't match. But we're not giving up yet. We multiply by 10 again. 100x equals 27.272727. Look at that. Now the repeating part lines up perfectly. It's subtraction time. This gives us 99x equals 27. And divide by 99, and boom. X equals 3 divided 11. So, 0.27 recurring equals 3 divided by 11. How cool is that? Okay, ready to turn things up a notch? What if only part of the decimal repeats? Let's try 0.15 recurring, where only the 5 repeats, not the 1. Start with x equals 0.15555, then multiply by 10. 10x equals 1.5555. Still not lined up. That pesky one is throwing everything off. No worries, though, we multiply by 10 again. 100x equals 15.5555. Ah, finally. The repeating part matches. Time to subtract. That simplifies to 90x equals 14, so divide by 90, and we get x equals 7 divided 45. So, 0.15 recurring equals 7 divided 45, nailed it. Now, let's take on a real challenge. Let's try 0.6425 recurring, where only the 25 repeats, but not the 6 and 4. This one's going to need a little extra elbow grease, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Start with x equals 0.64252525, and multiply by 10. 10x equals 6.4252525. Not quite right yet. Multiply by 10 again. 100x equals 64.252525. Not there yet. Let's give it more try. 1000x equals 642.5252525. Again multiple 10. 10,000x equals 6,425.252525. And there it is. The repeating part finally matches up. Time to subtract. This simplifies to 9900x equals 6,361, divide by 9900, and you get x equals 6,361 divided by 9900. And there you go. That's how you turn 0.6425 recurring into a fraction. So, next time you see one of those crazy repeating decimals, don't panic. Just multiply, line it up, and solve. Give it a shot, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Trust me, you've got this.